mind the glasses. I went to the eye doctor and I had to put these on after. So, anyways, today we about to change the headlight bulb, the parking light bulb. Not change, but I'm gonna show you how to do it, just in case someone needs it. I'm gonna show you how to remove those bulbs, the headlight, parking light, and the turn signal, if you could reach the turn signal. Okay, so we're gonna do this FX right here. And yeah, start the shit, man. Let's start this. First, open the hood. You know where to open it. Under the steering wheel to the left side. Now, if you know where the headlight bulb is, this is the headlight right here. Those are like, projectors. That's the signal. Okay, now we change the headlight. So the headlight is right here. See that? All you do is twist to the left, twist that and pop it off. There's your bulb. Now all you gotta do is it's a ballast one, so you gotta pop this off slowly. Don't break it. Twist this off. Not pop it off, but twist it off towards the left. Shake it a little, and this is your cap for the bulb. Now let's get in there. I don't know if you can see in there. It's like two clips. Let me turn this camera around. Hold on. Okay, you see those clips right there? Move this out the way. You see this? You see these right here? It's two clips. All you gotta do is push it like this down to the right till it pop off. Like that. This side, same way. Same way. Push down towards you. Pop this up. Oh, see the bulb? Don't drop it. Don't drop that shit. Now, take the bulb. Take it out. Okay, just like that. And this is your bulb. It's your bulb right here. If this bulb is out, just buy a new one. This is like a, what is this? I think it's like a D2R or some shit. But anyways, get the same exact bulb. I'm pretty sure it's a D2R bulb. Most infinitis has those bulbs at stock. These are stock bulbs, HIDs. So put it back in, align it with the hole. Okay, once you put it on, it only goes one way because these holes that it should fit in each side. So it only goes one way. So soon it's on there like that. Let's take the silver things that we took off, put it in reverse. So you gotta make sure the bulb is in there. Don't let the bulb fall. It'll be better with two hands, but other hands holding the camera. Okay, hold this. Okay, now all you gotta do is put the silver thing in there. Oh my god. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I had to use two hands because there was no possible way I could balance that shit with my finger. If you could do it with one hand, good for you. Pat yourself in the back, but I couldn't. Now, let's take the ballast. Don't forget this, or else it won't work. Put it on there till it goes down and twist it. Twist it tight. I think it's towards the left side. You twist it. For me, I put it in. I twist it towards the this way. So I twist it right and it tighten it, so make sure it don't come out. Pull on it, make sure it don't come out. Now let's put the cap on there. Don't forget the cap, because you don't want it to rain and water go in that shit. You'll be sick. Twist that on like this, tighty, just like that. Boom. See, make sure they work. There you go. It's the headlight. Now, oh, this is your parking light. Okay, so this is your signal. This is your low beam, high beam, parking light. Now, if you want to change the parking light, it's right here. All you do is twist it towards the left, like so. Let me see. Oh, damn it! I just twisted that shit. Twist it towards the left. It should pop off. This is it right here. If you want to change the color, you know, to LED or something, you just put it on there, put it back, twist it towards the right. That's it. Now your signals is another story. And your turn signal bulb will be right next to the headlight. Like, let me show you. This is the headlight right here. It's the headlight. It'll be right next door. You see? Right there. That yellow and green wire with the black. That's the turn signal bulb. So you can twist that off, twist it left, and put your bulb in. Yeah. If you could reach it with your hand. If you have big hands, I don't think you can reach this parking bulb right there. That's your parking bulb right there. If you can reach it. Okay, now for the driver's side, you will have to take this whole shit off. The whole breather off. Boom. There's a 10 mil here, 10 over here. If you want to just pop it out like that, take this whole thing off, and your bulb will be right in there. Will be right in there. Right here. Or if you could reach it here, put with your hand. You could reach it with your hand. This is the driver's side. If you didn't know, you could reach it with your hand here. If your hand's small enough, you could twist it off. Do the same way I did in the passenger side. Alrighty. And if you want to change the parking light on this side, yeah, you have to change this. I mean, not change it. Take this off and reach it. Or if you could reach it right here, you see where it's at? It's right there. You could twist it off with your hand. Your hand's skinny enough like mine. You could reach in there, twist it off, put your bulb in, and twist that shit back. Not parking. The turn signal bulb will be back there. Take this off and reach there with your hand, twist it off, put your bulb in, boom, and that's it. Alright, so I did that video just in case somebody wanted to know how to change that bulb, those bulbs. Alright, so if you have any questions, you already know, comment below, hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Till next time, later.